Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today's video is a bit different than the videos which I do. I'm gonna teach you how to make a basic winged eyeliner along with some go-to makeup which I normally do. So without any further ado, let's begin. So here I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Liner. This is a great sketch liner and I think it glides perfectly on your eyelids. So for me it's easier to first draw the wing and then drag it to the inner eye. So I'm gonna start with drawing the wing first. If you're confused how to make the wing and in what direction it should go, you can keep your finger like this diagonally and then draw the wing. Slowly trying to pull that liner inside towards the center. I'm going to stop over here and start with the inner eye, just making a very thin line and joining with the rest of it. I wanted to make it as a pulled look. That is what I do usually. So it should gradually grow as it moves towards the wing. That is what I'm trying to achieve over here. Now I'm just filling in the gaps to make it look complete. So this is how it's done, guys. It's very simple. Quickly gonna do the same thing on my other eye as well. So moving on to the rest of the makeup, which is very basic. So starting with a lip and cheek stain from Benefit. It's called as Benetint. It is the best lip and cheek stain ever. I just love this one and it has a nice rosy tint to it. So you just have to apply 3 strokes on each cheek and just a little on the nose as well because it looks very cute. Now spread it using your fingers in a circular motion. So this is how it looks like. It gives a nice rosy tint to your cheeks. Moving ahead to the lipsticks now, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Caramel Custard over here. I'm going to link all of these products in the description box if you want to buy them. So this has a nice rusty nudie color. What I'm trying to achieve over here is a nice orangey and a pinky nude color. You can wear this daily at work or on a casual day out. So I have not applied any base makeup on my face, just the normal moisturizer. So the next lipstick which I'm gonna layer over this is from MAC in the shade Mocha. This is also a very beautiful color and you can apply it as a standalone. You do not need to layer it. I like putting layers, so that is why I'm doing it. Moving on to the third layer. This is from Bobbi Brown in the shade Uber Beige. Now this will give me the nice nude color which I want. It is a very beautiful lipstick and I just love its color. Mixing 2 or 3 colors is kind of my style. I just love how you get a new shade at the end. Almost done with it, guys. This is the last lip color from MAC in the shade Crimson Fanfare. This has a nice pink tinge to it. Just applying it very little to give that pink nudie look, and it's done. I would love to hear what you think about this look in the comment section below. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.